What's up, you sexy mofos? I'm in a new house. I haven't done a video since I've moved houses. Surprised. Oh, whoa. I just seen something. I was supposed to send someone down for eBay yesterday after work. I haven't done it. Oh, now it's Saturday and there's no post. Oh, dear. What have I done? Good news on the car. I'm gonna be swapping diffs soon. Got a new diff, got new upgraded gears in it. It's all rebuilt internally. Didn't need it, but fuck it, I did it anyway. Yes, bunch of control arms and stuff for the rear. It's getting a new rear end. Doesn't actually need most of it, but I figured while I was here, some bushes are shagged, some are fine. Shh. Might as well just do the lot, you know? So I was supposed to actually be doing that right now, but that didn't pan out, so next week, we'll see. Hopefully next week. I want to get it done soon because it's taking so long. I've had the diff for ages. What else was there? I don't remember. Oh, that's right. I was going to do some testing. Some quarter mile testing. So, now that the weather's cleared up a little bit, the roads are still wet. It was bucketing down before. And then the sun came out and it was actually looking like it was going to be really good. And then it started bucketing again, but it's actually dry now and starting to possibly dry up. So, I can do some timing of things at the moment. We'll see. If I take it out, if the weather's good enough, and I can take it out for about 10 minutes or so, 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes, bring you along. Alright, we'll see. Keep you posted. Alrighty, so, I'm in a area, going out later, but not yet. It's slightly drier, sun's out-ish, behind some cloud, but actually going to be a pretty nice evening. A bit cool, but you know, looks alright. So I'm in this area that I know of for doing things. We'll be timing some activities. And the air is cool, so it's nice and dense. So is pretty much prime opportunity to do this. So I'll set up my timer and shit, goes through the OBD and stuff, so I don't have to do anything, I just need to go for it. And I'll share some results with you.